dashboard and understand the overall layout. So step 1, you need to log into Shopify.io using our Shopify account, and you select your staff account from the account switcher. So this one. And then on the left sidebar, you will see the main menu items such as contacts, conversation, calendars, pop lines, and more. So this side is the left sidebar, and then you will see the main menu like contacts, conversation, calendars, and on. And then you need to familiarize yourselves with the top bar. It shows notifications, your profile, and the quick settings. This one notification, and then you will go to settings, and then you will see your profile. You need to go back, then you need to spend time by clicking each menu item to get a feel free of where everything is located. So that's